Hey friends! Life is full of surprises. Car breaks down, medical bills arrive, or even job loss hits you out of nowhere. Have you ever felt like money problems come out of nowhere and you're not prepared? Today, I'm going to show you how to build an emergency fund, your financial safety net that keeps you calm, protects your money, and prevents panic. Before we start, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below if you've ever faced a money emergency. Let's dive in. Think about it. 1. Car breaks down, average repair, $500 to $1,000. 2. Medical emergencies, even minor ER visits cost $1,200 plus. 3. Job loss. Median unemployment period is 10 to 15 weeks. Without an emergency fund, you either borrow money, swipe your credit card, or panic. With an emergency fund, you can handle life calmly, make smart choices, and avoid debt. Even $500 to $1,000 is a great start. The ideal is 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but starting small is better than nothing. Here's a simple step-by-step plan to start your emergency fund. Step 1. Know your expenses. Calculate your monthly bills: rent, food, utilities, car, insurance. Example: total equals $2,500 per month. Step 2. Set a goal. Start with a realistic goal: $500, $1,000, or even 2 months' expenses. The goal is just to have a cushion. Step 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck into a separate savings account. Example: $50 or $100 per week. Automation makes it consistent. Step 4. Keep it separate. Emergency fund is not for shopping, vacations, or Netflix. Use a high-yield savings account so money grows safely but is accessible. Step 5. Rebuild when used. If you ever need the fund, replace the money immediately. This keeps the cushion intact and ensures you're always prepared. Consistency is key. Even small contributions add up over time. Your future self will thank you. Here's why it works. A medical bill of $700? Paid without credit cards. A car repair of $900? Covered instantly. Job loss? Rent and groceries were safe for months. The peace of mind that comes from having an emergency fund is priceless. Extra tips to make your emergency fund strong. 1. Start small, even $20 per week helps. 2. Automate, don't rely on memory. 3. Treat it as untouchable money. 4. Increase contributions with raises. 5. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Remember, life is unpredictable. An emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's your safety net. Start small, stay consistent, and grow it over time. If this video helped you, like, share it with friends, and comment below your first emergency fund goal. Don't forget to subscribe to The Wealth Brain for more simple, practical money tips. Stay safe, stay smart, and take control of your money.